Hi, today I'm going to show you how to perform cleaning on a HP Colour LaserJet 2600. Now this can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the buttons found on the front of the machine. So let's get a little bit closer. What we're going to do first of all is press this green tick to bring up the menus, and we're going to move along until we get to service. Press the green tick to go in. If we move along, the second option we have is cleaning mode. So we'll press the green tick. And you have to give your printer a few seconds while it does some cleaning. It's just basically just brushing down the rollers, getting rid of any excess toner, kind of making sure it's got enough toner to print evenly across the length of the drums, and will hopefully result in an improved quality of print for you. If the quality of your prints is a concern, we do have a separate video on several ways to print test pages for this printer, and I'd recommend checking those out if you have any similar problems. Otherwise, please do let us know with a like if you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.